PowerTeacher Pro supports both traditional and standards-based grading. The intended goals of this video are to show you the layout of the interface, how you can easily access help, and how to view and add class descriptions in PowerTeacher Pro. Access PowerTeacher Pro for all classes by clicking the PowerTeacher Pro link under Navigation. On the next page, you can choose the class you want from the drop-down at the top. To go to a particular class, click PowerTeacher Pro under the name of the class. We're going to look at the A+ grading charm. The assignment list is the home page for your gradebook. You'll see a list of all assignments. You can click on any assignment to see all the scores that have been entered for it. The score sheet will show all assignments and all grades. You can do a manual override on this page. Categories will list all of your active and inactive categories. To see active ones, you can check the box beside Show Inactive. Now let's go back and under Grades, click on Traditional. Here you can view the final grade for a selected term. You can also do a manual override on this page. Comment Verification will go to the page where you can enter comments for final grades for each term, as well as view all comments on one screen. And you can do a manual override on this page as well. Category totals will show the totals for each active category for each active student. All reporting terms will give you the final grades for all reporting terms. You can easily access help on any page by clicking on the question mark at the top and choosing Help. The window that opens will only have help that pertains to the page that you're on. Teachers now have the ability to rename their class. This will be helpful to teachers who teach the same course multiple times. It will also be helpful to elementary specialists who teach all classes in the school. To rename your class, navigate to Settings and choose Class Description. Click in the box beside Custom Class Name and rename your class. A class description can be entered in the Details pane below the custom class name. Enter the description or other details in the description field. There are no character limits. You can include a link to a Google Doc or a curriculum map. If linking to a Google file, be sure to set the sharing privileges. The class description will be visible in the PowerSchool student and parent portals. Once you've added the description, click Save. To see how the class description will look in the student and parent portals, click Apps from your left menu and choose PowerTeacher Portal. Notice that a new tab opens up with access to the backpack. After accessing the backpack, select a student and find the class for which you entered a class description. Choose Quick Lookup from the Select Screens drop-down in the top right if necessary. Click on any score beside the class that you put the description in for, and you will go to the Scores page. The class description that you entered will be at the top of that page.